Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can create a new account for XM. First of all, download and install the XM application on your smartphone and launch it open. From the first welcome page, click on Get Started to sign up for your account. On the next page, you'll need to get registered. Select your country from the drop-down at the top and then, after choosing your country, enter a valid email address you have an access to in the email tab. Once you do that, on the next field, type in a password, including the criteria underneath, to create a strong password for your account. Finally, if you've got a partner code, click on the Enter Here button and enter the partner code. If not, you can skip the partner code and check on this little square at the bottom and click Register. Now, you'll need to go check your email inbox. Open up the same email inbox that you just registered. Click Open the email from XM and click on the Verify Email button in green. After you do that, your email address will be verified. If you want to enable biometrics for extra security, you can tap on Enable. If not right now, tap on Maybe later. After you do that, you'll end up in the Markets tab of XM. The next thing you want to do is to finish setting up your account. Click on the Complete button at the top of the screen and then go ahead and enter your phone number, follow through the on-screen instructions to verify your ID and complete the profile verification. After you do that, you will be able to fund your account, and that's how you easily create your XM account. Take your time during setup, especially with verification, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.